Machine learning testing. Machine learning is one of the key directions of the future. It has already led some kind of revolution in the development and use of applications. Certainly, machine learning will touch and test, namely for optimizing the test suite to search for excessive or vice versa, unique code checks. Machine learning testing. Prediction of the main test configurations based on previous checks. Log analytics, identification of checks that can or should be carried out automatically. Defect analytics, identifying high-risk application points for prioritizing regression tests. Machine learning testing. The process of error generation, the error validation, the error categorization, and error analysis. Machine learning testing. Testing properties, e.g., correctness, robustness, and fairness testing components, e.g., the data, learning program, and framework testing workflow, e.g., test generation and test evaluation. Application scenarios, e.g., autonomous driving, machine translation. The paper also analyzes trends concerning datasets. NLP and texting. Natural language is prevalent in software development, user documentation, procedures, natural language requirements, etc. Natural language processing NLP can be used to help automate testing, write test cases, including Oracle's traceability between requirements and system test cases required by many standards. NLP and texting. In software testing, analyze NL requirements or other forms of documentation to interpret them and translate them into a form supporting verification and testing. Generating specifications, test cases, inputs and oracles and scripts from NL requirements or other forms of documentation. Traceability between requirements and other artifacts,